Hello YouTube, I'm back for I want to do a little review video over this Dewalt drill. I just got it, come in the mail yesterday. It's a 20 volt, and I ain't really got to use it yet, and I want to test it out, and I'll show you what it is here. It's a 1/2-inch drive impact drill. It's got the 220 volt batteries, charger with it, and then I bought some reducers. Y'all can see that. I got these just in case, I can't find a 1/2-inch, I can use a 3/8. But this is what I'm gonna tackle with it and see if it works good. The one on my truck, it's broke. Like, it's broke big time. It's rusted out. I can't pull nothing. And I hate the thought of having a truck and just not being able to pull anything. So hopefully I can find a socket to fit that thing, and we can try and zip it off. There's also some right there. The sun's blocking it. Might be able to get it, ain't for sure. But there's some right there underneath this part. So yeah, and I also got a loose spring bolt. I'm gonna try to take that with it too. I couldn't break it loose with my hand, so we'll see if I'd do anything better. But yeah, we'll find some sockets and try and tackle it. Alright, you two, I'm underneath here. As you can see, these bolts, they're figured out there's 13/16. That one's spun around the other way. I got all new bolts. This dang dog won't leave me alone. There's the socket. I couldn't find a 1/2-inch drive, I found a 3/8 drive. So hopefully that'll work. I'm ready to take this thing off too. There ain't no point in it being there, because I doubt a 22-inch with a 33 is gonna fit underneath this thing. So I mean, put this socket on this. Sorry that I'm holding the camera awkward. Alright, so I'm gonna lay you all somewhere. I ain't got no tripod, nothing like that, so hopefully I'll figure something out. Alright, I got y'all laid down here. That's a 7/8 wrench. See if I can get this wrench up on one of these. Alright, wrench is on it. Drill's ready. Let's see how it works. Almost got it. Come right out. As y'all seen, you probably got peppered with stuff. See, I don't know how long this drill battery's gonna last. I got 2 of them, and I ain't charged them yet. I hit there, and I ain't got to charge them yet. So yeah, these might die, but hopefully I can at least get them all broke loose by that time. My plan is to do all these and leave these 2 front ones, so when I'm underneath of it here, it ain't gonna drop on me. So I want to put y'all on time lapse and try and get these out. You two, as y'all can see, I mean, I've got them out. This one just pulled out. I got one more. This one, for some reason, has a bigger head on it. Don't know why. And then I got a code showing down here for my trailer brakes. So I gotta figure out what's going on there. But I just got 4 bolts left. I got the 2 that's underneath here, but I ain't gonna have these no more. The Reese Hitch, I got eliminated that. So really, when I put this thing back in, it shouldn't be that difficult. The hardest part's gonna be holding it up there by myself, because I ain't got nobody to help me. So I'm gonna try to find a bigger wrench and take this off, and then I'll get back with you after I got it off. Okay? Well, you two, I got it off. It come off in 3 sections. This one's up there. Took it off and figured out my bumper's already fall off. There's 1 bolt on this side and there's 2 on this side. So I guess I'm gonna take the bolts I took out of that and put on this. But I'm gonna set y'all up here and let y'all see it. Alright, YouTube, sorry, but my phone died. And I got the bumper leveled up and I got the Reese hitch in. The drill battery actually lasted all the way through this. I still have to go torque 2 of them with it because the battery got so weak it'd run them up, but it wouldn't torque them that tight. But I ran into another little problem underneath here. I had to cut the wires. My ABS wires was broke, so I'm trying to figure out which one connects on the which. It looks like the brown's on one side. I'm trying to find the other plug because I cut it and I think the little bastard dogs got it, so I don't know. Nope, nope, there it is. Alright, I think I'm getting somewhere. Alright, so this was on one side. Plugged into it like this. Then this one, this right here, goes into it like that, right? So I'm trying to figure out which wires go to which. And it's looking like the brown is on one side. It's a project, I'll put it like it. But let's go back to the Reese hitch. I put the Reese hitch here and I used the original bolts to come out of it because they look just a lot stronger than, you know, these little things. I just don't, I say they work good, I just don't really trust them. You know, if I'm gonna have a real heavy load on this thing, I don't want them on there. I want them on there. But I'm gonna try and figure this wiring out, and we'll go from there. YouTube, I got it on. I know you can't really see it hardly, but I just got rid of the connector and everything and all, and just rewired it. I'll probably have to unhook my battery to reset my ABS, but I might get lucky and start the truck and it might just be off, who knows. But Reese hitch is in, that's done. I think I had a pretty successful day. I still need to get this right there off of the pipe. I've already just cut it. It rattles pretty bad. But yeah, got it all off. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.